Hi, and welcome to my walkthrough of the Walter E. Disney Royal Suite on the Disney Wonder cruise ship. First things first, this suite rivals some of the best hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. The Royal Suite is located on the port side of the 8th deck on the Disney Wonder. At over 1,000 square feet, it is absolutely enormous. A spacious living room is the center of the suite, complete with fine wood chairs and a couch. They aren't super comfy, but at least they look great. There is one TV which is on a motorized lift so that it can pop up or drop down into the TV cabinet. A beautiful bouquet of flowers also greeted us on the coffee table. Also, the stateroom attendants were so friendly and helpful. The library has 2 chairs, a TV, and some calming and unique Disney decor along the walls. Also, the door that leads out to the veranda is accessed through this room. A stone dining room table with 8 seats was a great spot to sit and chat. Disney was kind enough to prepare a welcome platter of cheeses for us to enjoy. In-room dining is available at an additional cost from Palo, which is the ship's specialty dining restaurant. Back at the entrance, there is also a half bathroom as well as a butler's pantry-like space. The cooler is stocked with various beverages and Mickey Mouse ice cream bars. Let's get to the amazing rooms. In the master suite is a huge king bed along with a large TV and dresser. It's a very warm and inviting space. Master walk-in closet also has plenty of space for just about anything. But the master bathroom was simply incredible, giving me ideas on how I should one day remodel my own home bathroom. A huge bathtub on one end, 2 sinks, and a shower with rainfall shower head on the other. They also provided Bulgari bath and body products which smelled great. The second bedroom can host 4 guests, 2 of the beds lower from the ceiling. Also, another TV, making this the 4th TV in the suite. The bathroom has a small tub with shower and handheld faucets, along with a privacy curtain. It is compact, but it is well thought out and very comfortable. The walk-in closet is a bit smaller than the master suites, but still very generous. Outside, the long veranda is an awesome spot to go out and take in some fresh air. I sat here throughout the cruise and enjoyed the beautiful sounds of the ocean. Turn-down service was excellent. Of course, there are towel animals and chocolates in the master suite. With the beds descended from the ceiling in the second bedroom, you can really get a great night's sleep. The beds and linens were extremely soft and luxurious. The library has a queen-size Murphy bed that was prepped each evening as well, complete with reading lights and electrical outlets. Overall, an unbelievable experience in this elegant suite. It has touches of class throughout the space, and I'm fortunate to have this opportunity to stay here with my family. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.